I'm going to be straight with you. Most people, and I see this all the time with my clients when they first come to work with me, are using AI completely wrong. And I'm not saying that to be dramatic. I'm saying it because, like I said before, I see it every single day in the business owners I work with who are smart, capable, and genuinely trying to use AI to make their lives easier. But they're using it as a tool, and tools, they have a ceiling. Here's what I mean. When you use AI as a tool, here's what your day looks like. You hit a problem, you open ChatGPT or Claude, you type in a prompt, you get an answer, you tweak it, you use it, you close the tab. Then, 2 hours later, you hit another problem, you do it again and again. It works, it saves you a little time, but it's exhausting because every single task you're doing is probably starting at that ground zero. You have to remember how to use it. 2, you have to remember the right prompt you use, and you have to remember the context every single time. Now, let me show you what an AI team looks like. You wake up, your morning briefing, it's already in your inbox. Your priorities, your follow-ups due, the leads that came in overnight, the content that's been drafted for your review, you didn't ask for any of it. It just shows up because an agent did it while you're sleeping. A new lead fills out your contact form. Within 5 minutes, they get a personalized response, calendar link, and they're added to your follow-up sequence. You didn't lift a finger. An agent handled it. You finished a client call, the notes, they're summarized, action items extracted, the follow-up email drafted. All you've got to do is hit review and hit send. You sit down to create content and discover 3 social posts, an email already waiting in your voice, ready to review. That's not a tool. That's a team. And the difference, it's all about structure. Tools are things you use. Teams, they're things that you build. And when you build a team, you're not just starting from zero every single time. The work happens whether or not you remember it. The agents, they have your context, they have your voice, they have your standards. They run in the background while you get to focus on things that actually move your business forward. That's the shift. It sounds simple, but it changes everything. The 3 agents from your audit, those are the first 3 team members, the ones that handle the work that you keep putting off because you're too busy doing the work only you can do. In the next email, I'm going to show you exactly what a fully built AI business team looks like in practice. Not theory, real business, real agents, real results. Watch for it, and I'll see you soon.